Yo guys, welcome back to another video. And so it's been so long. Yes, I know it's been so long, but tropical storm Wanda has formed. Well, actually formed on Halloween. Um, because my dad let me go on his laptop, but I couldn't do a video because I didn't know what my account was, so I couldn't sign into my account. So it became a subtropical system. Now it's a tropical storm. It's moving east-northeast at 7 miles an hour now. It did start up here, so it's formed up here. One sec, guys. Sorry about that, guys. My dad called me because I'm on the bus. So anyway, this is the track. It's going east-northeast. So like that, basically. Now, because it uses the English time, GMB. This was at 3 a.m. Great Mountain Time, or Great. Let's just tell us something like that. I don't know. Because it's near the Azores. Because the Azores is like, I don't know, maybe 300 miles, 400, 500, maybe 600 miles away from the Azores. It is meant to go extra tropical. Now it's meant to dip down south and go back up. Now whether it will reform here, we don't know. But it's meant to go up and affect England sometime. But this did form in what do you call it? On the 31st of October. So now there's an area of interest down in the southern Caribbean near Panama, which is at very low altitude right now, or latitude. We don't know whether it's gonna just go like that, or whether it's gonna go like that, or whether it's gonna go like that. If it takes that more longer route, it'll have more time over warm water to intensify, and might become a major hurricane. But it's uncertain what it's going to be doing. I'll keep an eye at the models, but looking at an area of interest in the Pacific. Yeah, so this one's meant to be moving here. This one's meant to be moving here. So they're going to get 19 named storms in the Pacific. This is going to be where the Pacific ends. The Atlantic can still be on fire, even though that La Nina over here is still prevalent. It's becoming stronger each day. So that should, that it should have that horseshoe shape up here, which the Atlantic should be producing wind shear for the East Pac. So, whether it's gonna move up north, we don't know. But on the Pacific side, it says it's gonna go like that. This one's meant to become a potential for a major hurricane in the Pacific. But I think it's probably going to be moving north like that. Now, whether it does that, we don't know, because all the Caribbean storms that did form like over here, they didn't form until here, and they got here, crossed over the Yucatan, and became major hurricanes in the Gulf. So, showing you the models. 1 second. Tropical dip. Right, I'll show you the satellite imagery. Now, hopefully tropical dip should work. So you got Wanda. It was disorganized yesterday, had dry air in its circulation. Now it doesn't have as much dry air in its circulation. You can still see that open core there. It's no longer a cold core system, it's a warm core system right now. But as you can see, it's basically just like that. Barely any convection on it though. But looking at the visible satellite imagery, yes, I know it's at 3 o'clock in the morning, but I'll show you water vapor. Water vapor, it's moved out of the dry air now. It's no longer in the dry air, it's in the moist environment. When it was over here yesterday, that dry air was infiltrating on the system, and it made the system all lopsided like that. But now, it's in moisture. The only reason why it's in moisture is because of this frontal boundary here, and the frontal boundary that was over here. And Wanda is squished. It still looks kind of good on satellite imagery, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, if I say true color. So guys, you know, don't forget to subscribe to me as well if you want to. Yeah. As you can see, it starts to get better organized. As you can see, wait, sorry, it's taking ages to load. I'm using my Wi-Fi data. Well, not my Wi-Fi. I'm using my mobile data. So, see here. It's actually looking very good. So hopefully we should have another major hurricane in the Gulf. No, in the Caribbean, because the Caribbean's warm enough. I will show you North Atlantic. Now, whether we're gonna see that system forming, we don't know. But it looks like that system does form, but goes into Honduras and Nicaragua, and looks like we don't have any major hurricanes, but we do have a hurricane circling around from a non-tropical low. So yeah, and this is on my birthday, right here on the 18th. So yeah. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, see you all next video. Peace and have a good day.